Morning everybody, Happy New Year.
It was good.
Happy New Year from Syra and David here up front.
Happy New Year, everybody.
Happy New Year, everyone.
This is what, January 4th, 2025?
Correct.
Alright, we now starting in Blanchisseuse shortly by the Spring Bridge, shortly after. And we heading down to Paria. And Tony already started the session in the back here, he in Chambers.
Because Croatia was nice, but Slovenia, beautiful. Slovenia is different. Yeah, it is. Beautiful.
Alright, yeah. Okay, good. As your team negotiate the mud there. Folks, 3 kilometers in. This is the end of the dirt road. And thus begins the trail. First beach sighting.
I don't know where you're running out. I think you're running out. Yes, running. I was right over.
Folks, first of the beaches.
Just remind me of the hike I done 2023, boy. Only one.
Folks, we negotiating some money.
Come on, looking wrong. Sarah, you're muddy enough the place.
And Tony blaming Sarah. Look at that view, folks.
Got no sun, so the picture different. But I get that sun. You must get cookie eye. Remember my eyes can look from that's not what I say, but you actually watching the event. You're born cookie eye, you get cookie eye mackerel. No, it's not from corners. Yeah, answer the question. Why is it so difficult? You're born cookie eye, you get cookie eye when you're mackerel. No, my eyes can always look from corners. Why? Why you don't want to answer?
Answer here. Folks, that's Tony's answer. And he's sticking with it.
Just like how I walk between the sun rays and walk between the water drops and rain falling. These are divine being, boy. Yeah. Can you reach our level? Well, you know I can't reach our level. You can reach it, man. Nah. Let's think about it. Like a spiritual level there.
That's what going there. What do you do, boy? What do you do?
I ain't do that, but I know where I'm going to meet you.
Wait out water?
No, wait out hill. Wait out hill.
Oh, Turtle Rock.
Wicked man. Why don't you go down on a piece of incline right there and start to go up? Yeah. But I want boots. You see what I mean? They're always finding an excuse. Once somebody say yeah. Yeah, but alright then, here what we go exchange shoes. This car fit you? It go fit? No, your foot go float in this. But then I will put my boots into that.
And whatever I'll wear.
He go be barefoot.
He don't care about me. He don't care about me.
You go be barefoot. He foot hard. So you're waiting right there.
All they give she a chance to go down and then all they could run.
Why you buffing the lady so? If I was behind you, like, I'll push you.
That way I could record, yeah?
Oh, you're good. The same thing I say.
Wait, don't get up here.
Wait, don't get up here.
Don't get up here. And now put the camera on here, side. So you're looking good. You're looking good.
Yeah, you'll go back down the real place.
No. No. But Sarah, we have a rule. If it take more than 3 seconds, it's not really our fault, eh?
Fine boy, fine boy.
No.
Oh, like some vagrant water sailing all over the place. All over the place. They can push us.
I thought you don't perspire. How are you sweating like a horse so?
Because it's humid.
Huh?
It's humid. It's only
You're
human, you
sweating
know.
like a horse. You're human?
Yeah. You call him a horse and I'm human?
No, you're sweating like a horse.
Folks, the dog trying to understand what really going on between two of them.
Yeah? Hey, boy.
A man say, just... Richard, he say, tell me, don't sweat so, you know. Easy
Yeah.
walk.
Yeah.
I want to watch me like a horse.
All of a sudden I find these days I be sweating plenty.
Folks, 5.4 kilometers in.
Sarah, wait. It's right.
Heading across the Turtle Rock, slightly off trail.
Johnny, move on.
Folks, just 5.5 kilometers from the start. Turtle Rock. That's the team there, enjoying the view of Senabi from Turtle Rock. That's how we do it. I don't fall for that train. I'm Tony telling everybody to walk 100 kilometers.
Somewhere right there. Look.
Turtle in the way. David, boy, there's nothing like the real thing as you said last time. But
Turtle by the Turtle Rock.
David, zooming in on it. Hannah and Matthew, how has this 5.5 kilometer walk been? It feel like 5.5 kilometers, eh? Feel good? Yeah. What you mean?
It was good.
Matthew trying to say was
It was worth it for this view.
And for that surf it in the rock.
Yeah.
There's a turtle going out there watching there, so was right of it. Richard, boy, how it feels to be back, boy?
Yeah, good for the new year. First thing for the new year.
I start back in October, you start back recently. Life is about cycles, boy.
Yes, it is about.
We reached there, we may go back a little bit, but we had a step forward. So my boy come out on the first hike in 2025.
Yes, first hike. This is the start of many.
Well done, Richard. Enjoy it.
Yeah, man. Happy New Year to everybody.
True. Happy New Year. So Syra Gill, Happy New Year to everyone.
Happy New Year, everyone.
All your
Wonderful
friends,
trip.
family. And we want to thank you for bringing us out first Saturday every year. Today is what, 4th of January 2025?
Correct.
And they talk about rain and this and that. We get nice sun here, boy.
True. I mean,
Look what Sarah's now watching.
I mean, you don't want it any better at the beginning of the year. Really and truly. This is
Sarah,
fantastic.
on behalf of everybody, thanks for bringing me out.
Most welcome.
All
We'll be back again next year.
All right, bye.
Paria.
I know big way Paria.
I know small way Paria.
Yes. But we're not fast. The waves are just 12 more. I experienced that, kayaking already here.
Yeah, I experienced that too, but you stop and you face the wave and you ride it, yeah.
I felt I didn't get a chance to.
Did you get the children?
You didn't get it.
Something below it.
One coming at you. Don't break yet. That's a nice surf wave coming your way. Great moment of hang out. Now what? This one coming in. Go that yet. Bang! Look.
Walk 6.5 kilometers from the start point. We are on Paria Bay. And this is what they call the cathedral, rock.
good. Mine are not cold.
Are you ready?
I'm taking him up with yours. Look at my just sit down, wait there. Right there, it's a giant walking on this beach, but look at them footsteps. My foot can't start fitting them. Way! My foot bigger than my face.
The man going and copy your ghost, buy the shoes and wearing it.
The only thing I ain't like for them fellas, man, when they get a good pair of shoes, they change the model. Tight coming in all.
Watch yourself this, sir. Yeah. Yeah, but today we used to have fun walking, or we're not really on anything. Folks, Paria Bay, 8 o'clock in the morning.
When people are waiting for coconut water for their life, boy, they're sure dead. You can't open that as yet, you're wasting the coconut. Hey, you gotta take the cutlass and do that. Oh, God.
So I'm going to add 20 coconut too.
Don't want any water, I want soft jelly. You hard? Woo!
And that twist up more. That's what somebody want to twist up more.
Like to you. I want jelly.
You had to have a bend mouth for that one.
Open it up.
Thank you very much,
You're most welcome.
David.
Just cut out 1.5 now.
Alright, screen on, yeah.
It's gonna be up and down.
No.
Hey man, you have to open it for the man. Cut out in half.
David doing a wonderful job.
Hey, clean out the sun off it first.
Tony trying to say something nice.
And I want a spoon with it too, huh?
You know appreciate.
Wait there, so when you go back to the water, hey? You don't ask for jelly?
Alright.
What else should we go back to?
You had to search for that jelly.
After Jenny get knocked out. After Jenny get knocked out.
Ah, get from that one. Do that.
For some reason, Syra won't come out nice.
Yummy.
Now man, this is on torture, my boy.
Meanwhile, the younger members decide, you know what, I go and get a seat and watch this. I don't get to see this every day. A lady said she went up a coconut tree that is half her height.
When I just one of this.
And these men somehow get about 10 coconut and bust it up. But Tony boy, way!
Guy waiting on you? I get coconut. I get jelly already, you know.
But that the same coconut David bust what kind of behavior is that?
This is the only thing. I remember this real good, eh? The first time I come Paria, I wasn't to come Paria, I went Port of Spain and somebody told me to go in Paria. And we come up here and I had enough teeth. And this was the only thing I had.
Alright guys, so 3.6 kilometers from Paria. Hannah, look like, yeah, you had enough. on with our story is Matthew, right? Matthew is like, yeah, bring it on, man. Richard ready to pack up shop.
100K Friday, Tony say.
We'll think about that one.
So folks, we just at the top of the last biggest hill here. We waited on the rest of the team to bunch up and then we'll go. This is we guide. He taking Aziz. He look like he fed up of us. I don't know if that is tiredness or just sleepiness.
Just a little waste of time,
Yeah.
slow.
Yeah.
Well, I mean waiting. And folks, this is Syra coming up. Syra girl, one step at a time.
Right, and then I only feel like pulling off again.
Tony and David check out, eh?
They go on.
Yeah.
Two separate coke. Three of them, I mean, Andre.
No,
Andrew was waiting. Folks, on the way back, 4 kilometers from the waterfall. It's like 6.5 kilometers one way. So this technically is all over 10K so far. 4.4 kilometers on the way back. Negotiating another mud section on the way out. Another Paria day, boy. It was great. I'm glad I come. I get a workout I didn't know I was going to get. And
my heart was like 170 something else. Careful.
Folks, 5.3 kilometers, pretty much home stretch. As a young crew, you're going to notice my day being in front. And when I turn on the camera, you're going to see all the old people, including myself. Six and a half kilometers walking back in, folks. So folks, I have 7.5 kilometers on the way back. This looks like a 15k walk, boy.
It seems so. 7.5.
Yeah, I have 2.5 hours coming back, 2.5 hours going, 5-hour hike, 15 kilometers. So we just reached back at start finish. Syra and friends up ahead. This is your boy Richard. Folks, signing off. See you on the next hike.
Yep.